4 kilometers beneath the Pacific Ocean, darkness looms. An alien landscape exists, untouched and extraordinary. This seafloor, no one owns it. Under pressure, unique formations thrive. Scattered across this deep seafloor are billions of rocks, polymetallic nodules. They form over millions of years, encasing tiny fragments of shell or bone. These minerals power our modern world: nickel, cobalt, manganese, and copper. You find them in your phone and EV batteries. Until recently, few cared about these nodules because they lay deep underwater. But now, powerful governments and corporations are racing to mine this ocean floor. They act swiftly before rules are established. They search for ownership in a place nobody yet understands. Let's explore what lies beneath and why it matters. The deep ocean is rich in resources. Particularly the Clarion-Clipperton zone is teeming with minerals. This vast area covers 6 million square kilometers, about the size of the USA. The International Seabed Authority reports this zone contains 21 billion tons of nodules. These nodules contain cobalt, nickel, copper, and other rare earth elements, often found in higher concentrations than on land. Now consider this paradox. Our world needs these minerals for clean energy. Electric vehicles, wind turbines, and batteries rely on them. Demand is skyrocketing. But land-based mining damages our planet. Deforestation, toxic waste, and human rights abuses. Some argue we can mine the deep ocean with a lighter environmental footprint. Yet, the deep ocean is not lifeless. It hosts one of Earth's most biodiverse ecosystems. Mining threatens these delicate creatures and their habitats. Now, let's address who owns this underwater treasure. Internationally, the deep ocean floor is known as the area. The resources belong to humanity, as stated in UNCLOS, the United Nations Convention on the Law of the Sea. Any exploitation must benefit all countries, including those unable to mine themselves. The International Seabed Authority manages this, regulating exploration and mining. However, the ISA lacks a mining code to guide these operations. Contracts are handed out without clear regulations. The US is notably absent from UNCLOS, not bound by its rules. In 2025, the US decided to prioritize deep-sea mining. But are the rules bending in favor of the wrong players? China holds more ISA exploration contracts than any other nation. Now let's consider the actual destruction mining might cause. The Clarion-Clipperton zone is alive. It's home to unique species, many found nowhere else. 90% of the organisms rely on the nodules as habitat. Mining means disturbing the seafloor. Massive machines would scoop up and destroy this fragile ecosystem. Sediment plumes could travel hundreds of kilometers, suffocating the life below. Most critically, recovery from such disturbance is a geological process. Nodule formation takes millions of years. Studies show disturbed areas may not recover for centuries. Now let's examine the real motivation behind this rush. China has weaponized critical mineral supply chains as leverage. Their export restrictions have placed them in a powerful position. The US is scrambling for alternatives. The irony: by bypassing international regulations, the US may be strengthening China's hold. Countries like Kiribati could find themselves courted by both superpowers. The Pacific has turned into a battleground. So how do we resolve this conflict? A moratorium on deep-sea mining is gaining traction among scientists and nations. we must refrain from making irreversible decisions. Yet, arguments for proceeding stress the clean energy transition. While land mining wrecks ecosystems and violates human rights, access to deep ocean resources could benefit us. These are genuine dilemmas. The decision lacks thoughtful consideration. Instead, it's driven by competition, with corporations and nations jockeying for advantageous positions. The ESA continues working on a mining code that remains unfinished, while mining pushes forward. As we look to the deep ocean, remember, it's the least explored area on our planet. Many secrets remain hidden below. Starting in 2026, the race to mine begins. Is this a necessary sacrifice for clean energy? Or are we stepping into irreversible harm? Like, subscribe, and join us in exploring these vital conversations.